To begin your dream of a DIY log cabin, learn about the types of logs available, including pine, cedar, spruce, and oak, each with unique perks. Pine logs, known for being lightweight and affordable, offer good insulation but can warp easily if not treated properly compared to other varieties. Cedar logs, on the other hand, are naturally resistant to rot and insects, making them excellent for longevity, though they come at a higher cost. Spruce logs, favored for their strength, are perfect for structural use but can lack the aesthetic charm offered by cedar and oak varieties. Finally, oak logs, known for their durability, bring a rustic elegance but can be heavy and more challenging to work with during construction. When selecting logs, ensure they are straight, free of knots and defects, as these traits are crucial for stability and longevity of your cabin. Seasoning is also important. Only use logs that have dried adequately, avoiding moisture to prevent warping and shrinkage over time. Consider the log diameter and length based on your cabin design. Larger cabins require thicker and longer logs for stability and structural integrity. Moving to the foundation, building a strong base is crucial for cabin stability, considering factors like soil conditions and the frost line depth. For a robust foundation, choose between a concrete slab or a timber frame base, depending on the design and location preferences. Consider sustainable practices by sourcing logs from responsibly managed forests, ensuring minimal environmental impact while building your dream cabin. Choose eco-friendly finishes for your cabin, from natural stains to recycled materials, enhancing both aesthetics and sustainability in your construction process. Regular maintenance is crucial. Clean the exterior, seal logs, and treat them against weather damage to preserve your cabin's beauty and structure. To protect your cabin from environmental damage, treat logs with weather-resistant coatings and conduct routine inspections for potential wear. Create a sustainable living environment by incorporating solar panels, ensuring renewable energy sources power your off-grid cabin operations effectively. Consider rainwater harvesting systems for water supply. Installing gutters and tanks can provide optimal water collection directly from your cabin's roof. Embrace composting for waste management. Simple setups can create nutritious soil for gardening, completing the sustainable living cycle at your cabin. With your eco-friendly setup in place, enjoy healthy off-grid living. Your log cabin serves as both a retreat and a sustainable home in nature. Organize family gatherings around your cozy log fire pit. Stories shared by the fire create lasting memories while enjoying your off-grid lifestyle. Enjoy the beauty of every season. From snowy winters to sunny summers, your log cabin adapts beautifully to nature's cycles with proper care. Hosting workshops can share your log cabin construction knowledge, inspiring others to pursue their dreams of building in harmony with nature. With each workshop, foster a community that values craftsmanship, sustainability, and the art of living simply in a log cabin. Establish a small library within your cabin, filled with books on woodworking and sustainability, allowing knowledge sharing with friends and family. As seasons change, document your experiences, allowing your log cabin journey to inspire others who seek a similar lifestyle amongst nature. Celebrate milestones, from finishing construction to planting gardens, fostering a deeper connection with your cabin as it becomes a cherished home. Finally, embrace the tranquil lifestyle the log cabin offers. Moments of solitude and peace enable reflection and rejuvenation amongst nature's splendor. Engage in outdoor activities, fishing, hiking, and exploring the surrounding wilderness become part of your daily rhythm in this enriched lifestyle. Share your knowledge through blogs or social media, building a community interested in log cabin construction and sustainable living tips for newcomers. Inspire the next generation. Teach your children about woodworking and sustainability, ensuring they appreciate the cabin's value and importance within nature. As your log cabin evolves, it becomes more than just a building. It's a testament to your journey in craftsmanship, sustainability, and a life well lived. Add a cozy loft space to your cabin design for extra sleeping quarters or a reading nook, making the most of vertical space in a charming way. Incorporate a wood-burning stove not only for heating, but also to enhance the rustic charm and create a cozy focal point for the living area. Reclaim and repurpose old wooden materials whenever possible, giving your cabin character while supporting sustainable construction. Build custom furniture from leftover logs and scraps to maintain aesthetic cohesion while saving on costs and adding personal craftsmanship. Incorporate natural ventilation through strategically placed windows and vents, reducing dependency on artificial cooling systems. Plant native trees and shrubs around your cabin to support local wildlife, promote biodiversity, and enhance your landscape naturally. Set up an outdoor shower for warm seasons, combining rustic charm with functionality and reducing indoor moisture buildup. Use gravel or stone paths for walkways to prevent erosion, add visual appeal, and improve navigation around your cabin. Create a pantry with shelves made from cabin wood to store preserved foods, dry goods, and essentials for off-grid living. Incorporate wildlife-friendly elements like birdhouses and bee hotels to support nature while adding character to your outdoor space. Create a firewood storage system that's both functional and visually appealing to keep logs dry and organized year-round. Install a skylight or two to invite natural light into darker areas of your cabin, making the space feel open and airy. Add personal touches with hand-carved signs, artwork, and cabin-themed decor to make the space truly your own. Build a small greenhouse near your cabin to grow herbs and vegetables year-round, supporting a self-sufficient lifestyle. Install rain chains as a decorative and practical alternative to downspouts, guiding water elegantly from the roof to collection barrels. Add a front porch swing or rocking chair to your cabin entrance, creating a perfect place for morning coffee or sunset views. Install a simple wood deck or patio space for outdoor meals, gatherings, or stargazing under clear rural skies. Document wildlife sightings and plant growth in a nature journal, deepening your connection to the land around your cabin. In your log cabin, time slows down. Each creak of the wood, each sunrise through the trees becomes part of a rhythm that grounds you in what truly matters. This journey, built with your own hands, isn't just about shelter. It's a story of resilience, simplicity, and living with intention in harmony with the earth. And so your cabin stands not just as a home, but as a legacy of craftsmanship, care, and the quiet beauty of a life lived close to nature.